Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Benny Don Crazy Marcus here with episode 24 of Adventures in Cooking with Marcus. This week I am going to attempt to make chicken carbonara. Sounds absolutely delicious. Let me show you what ingredients you need. So, you're going to need some cheese, some salt as well, pepper, some eggs as well, bacon bits of bacon, chicken, and some pasta. Okay, so what I'm going to do is prep all my ingredients first, then I'll see you when everything's all ready to cook. Okay everyone, so at the moment we've got a big pot of water boiling for the pasta. First, while that's going on, I'm going to cook the bacon up. Just some little bits of bacon. Then once the bacon's cooked, of course, I'll put it to one side and do my chicken. Just got to keep it going on the saucepan, make sure it does fully cook, everyone. So yeah, we'll see you when the bacon's cooked. Okay, bacon's cooked. I'm just going to put it in a dish now. Then cook up the chicken. Okay, and I'll see you when the chicken's cooked. Okay, so now I'm going to cook the pasta up. If I can get it out the bag, that is, guys. Open it a bit more. There you go. That's better. Do the old bag, because why not? And just stir it round, make sure it don't stick. Okay guys, so I've made the sauce up. It is a mixture of 2 eggs, some Parmesan cheese, which we couldn't get, so we've used different cheese, and just add the hot water from the pasta. We've done way too much pasta by accident. What I'm going to do now is just add it to the pasta and chicken, and just turn the gas on and mix it. Okay guys, everything's done. It has sort of been a bit of a failure, but still at least I can say I tried. I'm not sure how much to give everyone, but yeah, that looks enough. Put that to one side. Next plate, shove it on a bit more. Comment down below if you've ever done chicken carbonara, and if there's anything that I have done wrong or how I can improve it or something. like all help and tips are much appreciated, guys. It does look quite delicious. Whether it will taste delicious is another story. Just trying to make all the plates a bit equal. Okay guys, there we have it. Homemade pasta. I mean chicken carbonara, not pasta.
Smells nice.
Oh, let's get the soup beta first to taste it.
Thank you for that. Get a bit of chicken, a bit of pasta there. It's okay.
Okay, time for me to try some of my own messy creation. Bit of chicken, got some pasta, bit of bacon as well. Looks nice and creamy in the sauce there, guys. Yeah, that's got nice actually. Turned out better than I thought.
I think one of the things was we tried to get Parmesan cheese as the recipe says, but we couldn't get it in either of the supermarkets.
Yeah, I'll give it about
What do you think, Marcus?
yeah, it's quite nice. It's got a nice creamy taste to it.
What would
I'll
you
try
give
a bit
it?
more first. I will give it probably a 7 out of 10. It were quite a hard dish to do. I probably think we could have done it a bit better. Well, I could have done it a bit better, but still it's a nice dish. What do you think, Mum?
I'll maybe give it a 7 as well. I think it was an optimistic dish. It does say it can be hard, but once you do get the hang of it, it's one of the problems is having the hot water with the pasta, keeping everything hot because you need it all hot for cooking the eggs and everything.
Okay, gonna get a bit of chicken, bit of bacon now. Nicely cooked there. See you next time, guys. Come join me for another Adventures in Cooking episode. Hit the like and hit subscribe. Adios.